How to install your Coolaroo Butterfly Gazebo. First, select and measure a 13-foot by 13-foot space where you want to assemble your gazebo. You may want to lie the canopy cover on the ground as outlined, or mark the four corners with chalk. Second, connect the poles and assemble the upper section of the frame. Using the center poles, connect the common poles together. Then connect the common poles to the corner poles to create the butterfly shape. Next, attach the feet to the lower leg poles and set those aside. Third, attach the canopy to the frame. Insert the four cover poles into the edges of the canopy and secure it to the frame with the elastic bobbles. Fourth, connect the upper and lower sections of the frame. Lift the assembled upper section of the gazebo and insert the leg poles. Once fully constructed, make sure your gazebo is secured to a stable surface.